first platform is wheeled into position and the brakes are locked on to prevent it from moving away. Wooden blocks are then placed in the lower segment of the extrusion below each top lock position. The next platform is wheeled up, located over the wooden blocks. This aligns the top surface of the platform. The Allen key is then inserted into the lock and rotated 3/4 of a turn to secure each platform together. This is repeated with subsequent platforms until the entire stage is built. Ensure that the ends of the decks are lined up after the locks are tightened. Lifting this last platform into position is a two-person operation, and it follows the same principle of locking into position. For disassembly, we first need to disconnect the first platform by undoing the locks. We then need to release the brakes on the wheels, and that platform can then be wheeled away with the piano into its storage location. The stage can be moved around as all wheels are swivel and brake, and when in position the brakes can be applied to ensure the stage does not move whilst in use.